What's going on, y'all? Check it out. I was out in the garden today, seen I had some patty pans ready, so I had to go ahead and pick them, y'all. And I don't know if you ever seen any patty pans, but this is what they look like. It's a real tasty squash too, y'all. And we gonna get these air fried up. And hey, while you here, don't forget to give me that LSS. And you know what time it is, y'all. Let's get it. So the first thing we need to do, we need to go ahead and slice these into 1/2 inch thick pieces. And hey, I done tried these several ways. Fried, deep fried, steamed, raw. I really like them, y'all. I really like them. To me, they something like a zucchini or a summer squash, but they're a little bit firmer. So I like the texture just a little bit better. So after we get them sliced up, we're gonna go ahead and rain on them. Hit them with a little salt, some fresh black pepper, and then we're gonna prepare our air fryer. Now, first thing we're gonna do, now this is a Power XL, so I'm just gonna put some olive oil straight into the bottom, and then I'm gonna put our patty pans in. Now, if you don't have a Power XL that's made like this, that have a bottom like this, you can go ahead and just put your olive oil on first. And then we just gonna hit that start button at 375 degrees. Now we actually are gonna cook these for 4 minutes aside. Now, after 4 minutes, we will do our first flippy flip. Now, when you're using the air fryer, I always flip it over halfway through. Just makes it better. So after our 8 minutes are up, we're gonna go ahead and get these out. And they looking tasty already, y'all. Cause you don't have to do much to them. And look at that, y'all. Look at that. So let's go and give this a taste. Oh yeah. Look at that bite, y'all. So tasty. But anyway, y'all know what time it is. Love, peace, and keep it grilling.